March 2025 trade review, copy trading performance. So guys, just like we normally do, every end of the month we do a review of all the trades we have taken. So we started it this year in our copy trading account, which the link is down below, so you can track it and know what happens throughout the month, the reason why we took the trade, what happened, the wins and the loss. Then you can do the math and comment down below the profit difference. So January we closed on a positive note, February the same thing, then March too we closed on a positive note. That means this first quarter of 2025 was positive around 30-something%. So let us go and see. So as we are doing this, remember to subscribe to the channel, watch any of our educational content, watch our weekly Forex market fundamental and technical analysis, so that you can run with those analysis and take trade of your own. Then you can also copy our trade. Just fund your Opta brokerage account, search for Apex to invest in the copy section and link it up, or use the link down below. Once you click it, you link it up. Once the team takes a trade, your account will automatically mimic it with proper risk management. Any account size can plug in with the minimum you can see there. Any account 10,000, 5,000, 500, 300, 200, any account size. The only difference is you can actually contact the team when the amount is big to help you set it. So that's one parameter here can be ×2 of your account because of the size, but risk management is still in play. Now, the first trade this was the last one. So this is March 25034. So the first trade was taken for March, started on the 4th of March, which was eventually Tuesday at a time. It was a buy trade. Then it was a buy trade on BYBIT. So this was it. Then the second trade was taken on the 5th, which was now a buy trade on CAD, which turned out a slightly negative, these two trades, because of there was an incoming data. I could remember then that was when the employment data was about to come out from Switzerland, so we needed to close ahead of time because it's not good, that's the truth, to hold trading into a major data like that, because you don't know what, because once the data comes out, it can change the bias. So that's the whole reason of not holding it. So we decided to close. Then later in the afternoon of the same Wednesday, we found an opportunity to buy AUD, to sell AUD JPY. But when we were on that trade, the news hits the wire. The news hits the wire. There is reiteration of the reciprocal tariff from Trump. So this is one of the things you can't control when trading. That's why you're supposed to have a proper risk management anytime, any day. So it invalidated the trade, not the bias, but it validated the trade. So we took a loss on that too. So then the next trade now was on 6th happened to be on Thursday, which was on NZD USD. We wanted to sell, but slightly had a break even at a time, and also we closed because of an incoming news. So later off like that. Then finally on the 7th, which is Friday of that week, we had another opportunity now to sell GBP. Remember, in the starting of the week, it was a buy because the incoming data at the time has not reshaped. But now, it became a sell, so we sold at a time and closed out the first week of the month. So if you are tracking, you can start doing the math, plus, minus, the red and the minus, and you can comment down below what did you get as the difference. So on we now went to the next week. All these deposits you are seeing is we are trying to balance the account side in such a way that when you are copying, you will not have problem. That is what we are trying to do with those figures. So it doesn't really concern yourself with the trade. So the next trade started on the 10th. 10th happened to be on Monday. So we found an opportunity on that Monday. The opportunity was to sell NZD chip, which we sold. We sold the 2 trades. Then the next trading opportunity came on Tuesday. We found an opportunity to sell AUD NZD. That's AUD NZD. We also sold. It came out positive, but we needed to. Yes, it came out positive. We decided it was at a time. Then that was it. Then on the 12th, which was that 12th was actually on Wednesday, so which was the tariff day, the aluminum and steel tariff was enacted. So normally it's not really good to trade on that day, but we decided to test the water to see how far the market has digested it. That's why we threw in a lower size, so you can see that it's a plus and minus trade, which from the other end is a little bit of loss. So we now know that the market has not digested it fully. Then on the 14th, which happened to be on Friday, we decided to also test the water again to know how far the market is still digesting the steel and aluminum tariff. You see that also we threw in a lower size also, and it came out loss too. So we closed the trading. We did the second week now. Now back to the withdrawal deposit, trying to balance the copy size so that it don't blow off the roof, so that those who have lower amount, 200, can copy. So that's the process of this withdrawal deposit, to balance it off. Then the next trading opportunity came on the 24th. That is 24th. Hold on a sec. What do I have here? Okay, that 24th. That 24th happened to be on Monday, so we started pretty well. On Monday, we had an opportunity at a time to sell GBP chips, so we sold. It came out positive. We had another opportunity. Okay. Okay. So after the 15th, hold on a sec. Okay, after the 15th, after that 14th, which was Friday, so the upper week was supposed to be from the 17th. We're supposed to be from the 17th to the 19th. So due to the imbalance in the market, we didn't really take any trade on this account. So it was a free week. We didn't take any trade on this account due to the digestion of the tariff and whatever. So we took trade in other accounts, but not this public server account. So we have to now come back to this last week of the market, which is now, we started from the 24th. So on that 24th, that is when we now took, which was this week Monday, we now took a trade on GBP check we sold. Then on Tuesday also we found another opportunity to sell USD card, and that is how we are done for the month. So on percentage wise, you can always come here and do the math. You can double in 1 month. If you double in 1 month, this is what it can look like, very close due to the account size, very close to this figure. So when you balance it out, but it's all on the positive side. For the third quarter, 3 months, you see the returns here. For the past 6 months, you see, and all those stuffs. For the past 2 weeks, so it's all screaming just screaming positive transparency. Then how do you go about it? In summary, open up the account if you don't have with Okta. Use the link down below. After that, fund your account at least to this minimum you are seeing here. Once you do that, if you have an Android phone, download their copy trading app. Come here, use that link. You see, make sure it is Apex Trading. Make sure it is Apex Trading from this account. If you don't know how to do, join the Telegram group. We will guide you, but it's easy, plug and play. You click start copying. Once you do that, you set the parameter. Let's say you have 1,000. If you have 1,000 now, the copy proportion should be like up to ×2, ×3 of whatever size, so that whenever you put in, let's say 0.1 lot here, your account should be 0.3. So that if you make 20 bucks, your account should be making ×3. dissented from the risk side, but it's about risk management. You can speak to the team. Join the Telegram group, shoot us inbox, both either on Facebook, Twitter, but Twitter can be faster, or Telegram, you join, shoot us inbox, let's guide you so that you make money. The fund has been around for this long. We started building up to show the public how these things work, that we don't just do analysis, but we also trade it. So looking forward to see you join our fund. Let's make money together. First quarter is out of the way. We still have 3 remaining quarters of the year, so let's make money. Catch you. Peace.